nothing's indefinite. So I pick up my head and I change up my etiquette. Keep my faith high, it was evident. Not worry about physical, I'm still alive, that's the evidence. He built me up, so I'm never breaking down, easy like sediment. I'm relaxed as a sedative. Is you learning your lesson yet? This right here is my testament. Yeah, I keep my faith and I keep my head high. When I'm feeling down, I stare at the dead sky. I stare at the dead sky. The cloud inside, right beside me, he's fighting these things. He's fighting these things. But he made him let me go. Yeah, he made him let God we trust. What do you think? Hey, what do you think? I'm counting the blessing before I count money. It's part of the rank. It's part of the rank. Hit my heart with a stake, cause I'm a wolf. I'm howling at moons. Holy Ghost, he didn't enter the room. But holy smokes, I didn't overdose. But I opened my eyes and it's all up to him, I assume. I done made it through some situations. Upstairs, made it out the basement. All I needed was the very basic. See it clear, never needed LASIK. But now I done open my eyes. My iris is oversized, so I see through them open lies. When they open their mouths and the locusts all go inside. Nowhere you can hide. The devil alive, and I swear that he really be telling lies. Told me raise up that 9 in my head, pull that trigger real slow. Now you really see open minds. Can you coincide? The feeling I get when I stop me from blowing, I know it's God. And not in my mind and my soul are real strong. I rely on my faith and it never dies. Yeah, it never dies. Yeah, I keep my faith and I keep my head high. When I'm feeling down, I stare at the dead sky. I stare at the dead sky. The cloud inside, right beside me, he's fighting these things. He's fighting these things. But he made him let me go. Yeah, he made him let me go. Yeah. Hey, in God we trust. Hey, in God we trust. Hey, who got the faith? Hey, you got the faith. Yeah, I got the faith. Do you got the faith? Yeah, I got the faith. Yeah. In God we trust. Hey, in God we trust. Keep that faith in your head high. Yeah.
Oh my god, the hype is so real, guys. Woo! Okay, how's everybody doing today? Oh. Oh no! Instant failure. Highway traffic on a Sunday. What even is that? Really? Okay, so I'm gonna turn down the volume a bit, or quite a lot. Anyone want to give me a quick mic check? And I gotta say, Skells, like, you look great. Meeting you at DEF CON. Amazing, dude. You were smiling and everything. It was kind of weird seeing you smile. You don't usually do that. You aren't supposed to do that. You're supposed to be grumpy. Yo, Bandra in the chat. What's up, all in here? How are you, man? Putting down some time on Sunday for me? What? I don't believe it. Give me a sec. Gotta close the door. Hey, Skelts, like, whatever works, man. No judgment. 100%. Whatever works. Ready for the... What now? There's another certificate vulnerability. You got me Googling now. We got my interest here. ESE 15. For reals, or are you just trolling me? No way. No way. Good for you, man. You doing like responsible disclosure stuff or just blog post inbound? Oh, sick. Hit me. I would love to see that. You can only get this at the Flangvik Red Team live streams, guys. People leaking their old days in chat. You can only get that here. Exclusive content. Today's going to be a super chill stream, though. We're just going to look into a specific EDI or EDE that has been popping up absolutely everywhere recently. It's called Cursor. It's supposed to feature like the best AI integration into a code editor, so we'll see. Seems pretty promising, but we'll see. Oh, here we go. Oh, I won't play on stream, no worries. We'd love to see it though. Anybody want to confirm that the microphone volume is okay and that the sound or the music isn't too high? That'd be great. Getting old days dropped on the side here. Okay, great. Okay, I'll watch this video later. This looks good though. Sick, congrats, man. That's sick, good find. Solid find here. It's 2 minutes, watch it now. Jesus Christ, the pressure. Come on, man, you gotta give it time to digest this stuff. Can't put me on the spot like this. What? Fuck, I lost you. Give me a second. You should be on the top now, right? Yep. Okay, I'll watch it. Give me a second. Silence for this. Oh, nice. Bots. Love it. Okay, I'm following so far here. I'm about 30 seconds in. Okay, I sort of think okay, cool. That's sick. Okay, gotcha. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. Cool. Okay. Back to the stream now. When it comes to dick pic. Okay, so I gotta do the sponsor segment stuff first. So, first of all, welcome to the chat if you're new here. Gotta say huge thanks to BlizzKit and Azure VPN. BlizzKit produces payload wrapping tools, specifically MacroPack and Shellcode Pack Pro. You can get 5% discount by buying those using the discount code FlyingWeek24. Great for if you're a pen tester or red team who doesn't have the time or affordability to do your own research and you need to bring proper innovation to the table during engagements. Like great value. Legitimately been using them for many years. Actually check it out. Good value, good stuff, good tools. And then obviously if you're looking for a VPN provider, check out Azure VPN. Been using them for many years as well. Very similar to Mulvat, Sweden-based, privacy first, extremely transparent. You can get 50% off your first month using the code FlyingWeek50 off. So that should be it for the sponsor segments. And I do know we all hate it, but generally it's great having somebody come on this and support me. So I really appreciate those sponsors. I think the tip goal we can hide because DEF CON has been. Okay, so we're gonna check out this thing called Cursor. Let's see if we can transition to the live scene here. This is probably gonna be a really quick stream. I just want to showcase how potentially good this idea is, and then also how good AI is. If you haven't integrated AI, you know, either Copilot as a plugin in Visual Studio Code, or if you're just pasting snippets into ChatGPT, AI is gonna whatever X your performance out the gate. It is great. I personally use a lot of. And I don't feel like it's cheating at all. And honestly, I don't have to give a fuck. I'm not a developer anymore. I use my developing skills for penetration testing and red teaming stuff. So I can do whatever I want when it comes to assigning AI to this stuff. I don't give a fuck. It's my own things, right? So, but generally though, I think that the current workflow I have could probably be improved, which is why I want to check this out. My current workflow is that I have Copilot integrated into Visual Code, and then I will just spam comments. So when I want something done, I will just do dash and then a comment and then for each for loop do yada yada, and then Copilot will kick in and just autocomplete the entire thing in code that I just described. So it becomes sort of more like I'm a prompt engineer more than I'm actually doing development work, and then I'll fine tune it. So the thing called Cursor, which is another EDI which I haven't used before, which I'm taking a look at now, they actually allow some further integration, which is kind of cool, which I want to look at. So cursor.com, again, they have been forcing me this down my throat on Twitter and Facebook and whatnot, so I don't know if it's any good yet. The demo looked pretty decent. They're trying to claim, trusted by XYZ engineers. I think the best things here is that it allows you to more directly communicate with your code, if that makes sense. They have something called Ask Your Code or Ask Your Code Base, where on the backend side, they sort of feed whatever is needed from the code into the AI as a context, and then you can ask anything. So it should be able to hopefully gather a bigger understanding of the code base than something like Copilot with the Visual Studio Code plugin out of the gate. So we'll see how good it is. I just got it from cursor.com. It's free. If you sign up, you get access to some of their online AIs instantly. I don't know which model they're using behind the scenes, if they're just paying for the ChatGPT tokens or if they're hosting some model of their own. I also had the option to select a model. I'll show you that later. So what we're doing today, we're trying to improve AMSI.Fail. If you haven't checked out AMSI.Fail yet, it's a nifty little website that I initially created, and then Martin, which is now my boss, translated into JavaScript, so you can actually see everything that's going on in JavaScript. What it essentially does, it picks between 4 different PowerShell snippets that typically disable that. 5 different AMSI, 5 different PowerShell snippets that disable AMSI for the current process, right? And then it will try to obfuscate those snippets and give you the obfuscated version. So it should be as easy as you're on a machine, you're on a assume breach engagement, a pen test engagement, whatever, and you want to load your C# tools to the PowerShell. If you still do that kind of stuff, You can just generate a bunch of these. It's fast. You can read the source codes, you can confirm the legitimacy, and you can paste this into PowerShell, and then AMSI will be patched for the current process. That's the NIFT of it. Now, there's a couple of issues with this. First of all, it hasn't been updated in literally years. Most of these are going to be detected, so you would have to find the working one, copy paste it, and then modify it slightly just to get past the Windows Defender signature. But the biggest issue with this is that many of them straight up don't work. They're broken. The obfuscation passes I'm throwing on these just breaks the logic. Or breaks the PowerShell syntax, which isn't great. So what I want to see is, can AI just fix this for me? Can AI identify the issue in my JavaScript code and fix it so that the PowerShell output is legitimate? What code do you use for peach scented soap? That's between you and me, but it's a good one if you knew the joke. And the way AMSI.Fail is hosted, you can check out the source code. It's on GitHub, Flangvik AMSI.Fail. It's hosted straight from GitHub, so it's literally just this index.html. A while back, somebody also made a Cloudflare worker. So if you want to integrate this in your workflow, your C2, whatever, you can actually do that as well, which is pretty cool. I know that Empire C2 actually integrated their own Cloudflare worker for this, so they could generate AMSI.Fail bypasses while the payloads were generating and fetching a brand new one, which was pretty sick. Wouldn't say maybe it's the best OPSEC wise. I would host your own stuff, but still, it's pretty cool. So I want to see again, what can this AI do? So I've just downloaded the cursor. Looks a bit like this. I got some welcoming stuff on the side here, which is stuff I should probably try, which I will. And then I got my index.html uploaded or loaded, and you can see that it's already nicely highlighting, doing some great JavaScript highlighting. Oops. So let's see what this can do. So accept an autocomplete, that's probably for later. Prompt and edit. Okay, cool. Let's see if, actually, I want to ask a question. I want to chat with my code base. So where do we handle business upgrades? Cool. So Control L to chat. Cool. I can change the, let's use GPT-4. GPT-4o, cool. And let's just, what does this code do? Start off easy. Cool. This HTML file, along with its embedded JavaScript, is designed to generate obfuscated PowerShell snippets that is disable or break the particular process. Here's a breakdown of the functionality. Yada, yada, yada. Cool. It actually describes the functions. Great. And then I'll ask it, there are many times where the generated PowerShell snippet is not valid PowerShell according to its syntax. Can you identify key issues? Oh wow, key problems. Wow, with this code and correct them. And the best thing about this is that this is the absolute best thing. The best thing about chatting with like large language model, like I'm doing right now, is that I don't have to make sense, and I can write how much English I want. Like how bad English I want. I'm a terrible speller, whatever. I solely rely on AI and Grammarly to make me confident that I'm not butchering stuff. So therefore, using this, I don't really have to care about that. It will understand most of it. Hey, welcome to Chat Tower. How are you, man? You're never late to the party. You are the party, man. We've been waiting for you, 100%. Okay, so let's ask that question and see if it can identify key issues. Certainly, here are some key issues and corrections to improve the validity of generated PowerShell snippets. Ensure proper escaping and concatenation. Random junk. Ensure that random junk does not break the syntax. Cool. Okay, here are the key corrections. So you're not really okay. Explanation. Ensure proper escaping. Sure. Ensure that the random junk inserted does not break the syntax by properly placing it within the PowerShell script. Ensure that obfuscation function returns valid power by properly handling string. This is just garbage. Can I... Okay, I can copy. Can I tell it to just update my code? Or do I have to select it? Okay, so it doesn't see that, which isn't great. In the demos I've seen, it would literally just update the code. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try random junk is fine. Random string is fine. That's fine. Let's go up a bit here. So encode payload. Let's do this. Let's select it. And then we can, sorry. Let's exit this. Edit. Okay. Improve this method so that it does not generate invalid PowerShell. Okay, cool. So it's doing something for sure. Let's just control accept this. So now it did a bunch of changes. Cool. Does this help? I don't know. Let's see. That was pretty cool though. I love how Windows Defender is constantly complaining about this JavaScript code. It will detect the snippets inside of the JavaScript codes. Cool. Okay. So first of all, thank you for chatting and welcome to the stream, microservice. I'm not sure if GPT-4o is the best choice for this task. I have tried Claude and got better results. Cool. Okay. I will use Claude instead then. Give me a second here. Let's just save this. I just want to see if it's still, if it didn't break anything immediately. So it's still generating stuff. Okay, cool. Let's just pick this. And then we paste it and let's see if it breaks it. Okay, so there's definitely still issues with this. Let's use Claude. And then I want to go back to talking to my code, chat with my code base. I want to do that. I thought that sounded great. Control K. No, that wasn't it. Control L to chat. And let's try Claude. Hello. This code that obfuscates PowerShell snippets keeps generating broken PowerShell. Or PowerShell that is not valid when pasted into a prompt. Why? Find the issues and correct them. There are some issues. Okay, this is better. String escaping. The backslashes in the payload strings force error are not properly escaped. The backslashes in the payload strings. Okay, so it's complaining about how I store the payloads here, I think. The obfuscate string function may generate invalid if it doesn't handle quotations properly. Random junk, ending random junk strips might break. I know that. Here's the improvement. Okay, can I just... Embeddings, okay. So it won't update that, right? So I would have to do it manually, yes? Shut up. Is power... I hate it. Okay. Great. Insert these changes. Apply. Really, Windows Defender? You gonna do me like this? I have literally told you to leave me the fuck alone. Oh, you motherfucker. Let's try again. Okay, so there's definitely some bugs here that needs to be squashed. So let's just open good old notepad here. And then, so this is the encode payload method, which is, that's encode Rasta, which is specific for the Rasta mouse one. I think this is the encode payload. Yep. Let's replace this and see what it does. Oh, I need to disable get payload. So it's complaining about some escaping in get payload as well, but I'm pretty sure those are fine. Try again here. Okay, so now it's complaining about missing type after name. This, so it's missing the closing one. Let's try another one here. These issues are common though, it's been breaking. Okay, a smaller one. Okay, so this is just recognized and blocked. Okay, so this is valid but recognized. Okay. Let's try. Let's do this. Let's edit. Make this method generate different and more unique random names, including special chars. Cool. So that should probably change how some of these verbal names are called, but no, that won't work. Okay, let's try again. However, make sure that they are all valid var names in the context of PowerShell. All right, because we want these variables to be valid PowerShell variables as well. Oh, stop it. Cool, okay. So these variable names are valid, but why are these so short? Why aren't they a valid length? Like, why are these not a random? It's very specific to the to have we obfuscate the Rasta one. Ah, okay. So why are we taking a length as an input? Why? Okay, let's ask chat about that. Let's ask chat about that. Not you guys, this chat. In this index, in this code, does the random string method need to have an var length input? Could it just generate random length, or would that break the PowerShell output in any case? I fucking hate that the apply doesn't work. Let's change that. Const middle chars. Like that. It will generate a random length, min length. Cool. That will probably help a bit. Let's get a Rastamas one. Let's see if that helps. Oh, come on. There we go. Definitely didn't like that. Is it because it looked like Russian? Maybe we shouldn't have these Greek ass letters. Okay, it has to start with this. And then middle chars is the start chars and then unicorn range. Let's just remove the unicorn stuff. Chars. Okay, that worked. Great. Cool. So now, wait, it's not patched? I don't have fucking Windows Defender for Endpoint on this machine, do I? That should patch it. So I gotta say it's a bit weird that it still says AMSI failed. This, maybe they changed it in PowerShell for Windows 11? I don't know. Let me try on my main Windows 10 machine here. Yeah, no, it works on my main machine, so it's a Windows 11 thing then. Interesting. Well, that works. We definitely broke some signatures with that, I think. Cool. This is specifically for the Rastamas one. Let's see if that one still works. I'm testing against my main machine now. And it's definitely valid. Let's see if... Yup. So there's definitely something on the Windows 11 side doing something here, which is interesting. We can see these variables are now great. Let's see. That's fine. Random strings, obfuscate string. Let's look at obfuscate string. Let's see how it does it. Obfuscate string. Further improve this method so that it creates a wider range of output. Cool. Copy. See if we can do that. Interesting. Does that break anything? Apparently not. Or it doesn't at least break the JavaScript. Hey, Vaded, what's up, man? How are you? Welcome to chat. How are you doing today, bro? No, this definitely breaks. What? I was in Japan for 1.5 months. If that's excused, dude, you're excused. You're excused for sure. Japan, how was it, dude? That sounds sick. I've always wanted to go to Japan. Japan. On the movie. Oh, travel to all the main cities. Hiroshima. Oh, I'm gonna try to pronounce that next one. Kobe. Okay, you travel to a bunch of cities. Cool. All I'm gonna say for now, though, amazing food. Me and my wife are like total foodies, and we would love to go there specifically just to eat and get fat. It would be amazing. There's no way this works, but giving it a shot. Still amazed that it actually even runs. Rastamas is probably fine, just getting nuked. Let's try this. So cheap as well. We climbed a few mountains and met a lot of international folk. One time I invited them out for dinner. I paid like 70 euros for 6 people. What? I for sure thought Japan was probably not Tokyo, right? That was probably one of the like the side cities or whatever, less touristy cities. Really? Is Tokyo cheap? That I guess that makes up for the essential expensive travel cost, right? Sick. Yeah, we're looking for so the covert company I work for. We're looking for new drop boxes. We've been using both Raspberry Pi and Nux in the past, and Nux are great, but I feel like there's maybe some middle option that we could look at. You know, Nux are really powerful, depending on which one you get, and then like the Intel Nux, and then you have the Raspberry Pi, which is overpriced at the moment because of demand, and also really underpowered for what we need to use it for. Like it's if it were like a Dropbox just for like getting an internal connection, then sure, but we need it for more than that. Cool. So maybe I'll look at the GMK Tech K8. Cool, let's see if this works. This looked more comprehensible. I think this will break some stuff, but no, I can't do the AMSI one. Still can't do the AMSI one or the rest of us one. I plan to run Ludus on it. If you haven't heard of it, it's a tool to spin up testing. Yeah, we have Ludus internally. I haven't used it yet though, but we have it set up. Currently, I have a pretty powerful main rigs. I'm still using Automation Labs, Automated Lab, or something like that. It's like a PowerShell based open source project, which is great. And then I have like a couple of templates to spin up labs. But it sometimes breaks and I haven't really perfected it yet. So maybe looking at Ludus would be great. Doesn't Ludus have like a pre-built template for spinning up SCCM infrastructure, which would be sick? Yeah, this doesn't work like that. Can't have stuff like no worries. Appreciate the input, man. Honestly, I was expecting this to be a lot better. I feel like me pasting random crap into ChatGPT might be better than this model, but I might be also just asking too much of it. I mean, understanding the context of which how this needs to be obfuscated is a pretty big task. And honestly, I don't even fucking remember it. Like we're doing some. Let's be more specific, Ian. Add 2 more cases of simple string obfuscation that most likely that based on the current methods should not break the output. This will break it because this will, let's just accept it for now, but I'm pretty sure this, because this is, we're inputting in a string and then we're getting this back out. And I think in the context of a lot of stuff, this will just break. Let's see if we can find one of them. Yeah, right. It doesn't even understand. And I think that's because of this right here. Doing this. What the fuck is this? Right, because it's doing it 2 times. Oh, that's because of the system thing, I think. It's because of this. Because I'm also looking to... I'm using this as a... What the fuck? I swear to God, this Windows 11 machine is just rebooting just to piss me off. Wow. Amazing. Amazing stuff. Thank you. Like, why? Look at this. It just randomly decided we need to update. This is why. This is why I stay at Windows 10, boys. Fuck this. What the... Imagine I was in the middle of doing something business critical and this motherfucker would just update. I know my head is above like the alert box, but I have not received any alerts about no updates. It's just decided this is the time. Thank God this is a VM. Holy shit. Yeah, I agree. Fuck Win 11, dude. Dwayne gets it said. Fuck Win 11. Buy me a t-shirt, guys. Jesus. Wow. Mm. Mm. What the actual fuck? Well, that was fun. Let me just reboot my machine here and... Oh, wow. Impressive. Impressive stuff. Well, updates are important. Also, welcome to Jet Carcass. Carcass 66. How are you, man? Okay, so it's getting back up. We're getting there. Jesus. Thanks you so much again to my sponsor. No, we're not. They're only getting one segment, 100%. But for real though, Balliskit actually is the good stuff. I'm actually doing a part of the sponsorship agreement with Balliskit is that I'm doing a properly sponsored video on my YouTube channel in a bit. It's going to be pretty decent production quality, and I would actually recommend watching it if you're in need of pentest tools. And now I have to log in with the account. I have to fucking hide you guys because it's a long ass password, because it's connected to an online account, because I did some labbing and it needed to be connected to an online account. What would be, guys, what would my streams be without some failure, huh? It wouldn't really be at home at all, wouldn't it? Sure as hell wouldn't. It wouldn't feel at home at all. And of course, I did the wrong password. Norwegian, caps lock off. Try again. Oh, nice. Fucking know it all, or not in a bad way. What's your Sawbag 112? Hello there. Reboot of the VM due to the expired license. You can use that will only work twice. Sick. 100%. I'm doing that. Thank you so much for the input. Sawbag 112. I appreciate that. This is a Whoop. It's a super. It's not. I wouldn't even call it a watch. It's a sports watch or whatever to track my sleep and stuff. It's so I can be sad when I notice how bad my sleep patterns are. Oh, really? Is that... Shut the fuck up. Is that a new thing they introduced with Windows 11? Reboot every hour if it's an... Really? That is the dumbest shit. That is the dumbest shit ever. I have to restart it for it to take effect, but I did rearm it, so... Should I restart it again? Yeah, I'll restart it straight away. Okay, so that is new. Jesus, fuck. Okay, I never ran into that, and I've been using a hell of a lot of non-activated Windows licenses through the years. Maybe I just haven't used them. No, I've definitely used them for more than an hour. I work around it by generating the image with Packer for every 90 days. Makes sense. Makes sense. I mean, we're all good hackers, right? So we would definitely just buy like a cheap license off some serial key site. Some totally legitimate serial key site, right? Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for the command line. Sick. I might steal that from you, not B9 later. Fuck, I might do a stream on that if it works out fine. Okay, we're back. We're back, boys. Let's see if we can keep this train going a bit further. And again, I don't need that donation stuff now. Hide it. Hide it. There we go. Fucking good input here, guys. I definitely think this... I really want... So the thing is that this line right here, system text get string, will 100% collide with an obfuscation thing we're doing afterwards that pulls out system. If you look at system, there's a thing called must encode, and it will break because of that system. So I really want to try to get this fucking AI model to understand that and look at what we can do about it. So let's try, because I understand this. So let's chat with this model again and fucking try. Okay. So the method called collides with the sum of with case 3. Let's see in where the fuck is obfuscate yada 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 yada. Here it is. With case 2 in, since it will break the reference to system. Understand this and correct it. See if that works. Not B9. Try to link your GitHub, but obfuscate the link. You won't be able to. Or actually, I think I've turned off URLs. I think you could type URLs. You should give it a go. You won't be banned or anything. You just get a timeout, worst case. But just obfuscate your URL a bit and then send it. Yeah, fucking mean they're making it difficult for us. So you're correct. The encoded payload is causing an issue with the function. Specifically in the case 2, the problem arises because it's replacing. Okay. So it just removed system. You dumb literally. Okay. Okay, added a special handling only if it's not a part of system text or system convert. Cool. Okay, so this, given how more specific I was, might actually work now. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, you won't be able to paste the link. Sick. Fucking this is where it happens, guys. Flying chat, where proper ideas are exchanged. Yeah, fuck. Why? Again, Windows search. I type power and you want me to open fucking Power Automate? Really? I've never used it before. I've already used PowerShell like 10 times. Eat something, Microsoft. Ooh. Counting to 10. Counting to 10. Okay, so now it breaks something else. Interesting. So it's in the beginning of one of the obfuscated words. It has this because it wants to join some stuff. Which is wrong, apparently. Is it because of runtime? Yeah, it's because of runtime interrupt Marshall. Which I guess, where's my payloads? Let's find the payloads. Come on, where are you at? There we go. Because of system again. Because it's encoding system again. Right? It's trying to encode system in part of that. So let's look at the obfuscate string method again. Again, you know, if this AI really understood the entire context of my code, it would have easily picked this up. Let's try again. There are other collisions with system. Look, find them. Thank you. It found it. It found it. Thank you. Okay, so it found it. Why? Why would I need to ask this? Go get that shower rated. Good to see somebody does it. I'm going to be out of beer soon. That's going to be an issue. Again, now it's doing something more. Now it's doing a complete regex to handle all these special cases. Great. Let's see if that works. Undefined. Great. It completely broke it now. Fucking sick. Oh, lol. Rest of the function remains the same. Lol. My bad. Actually, my bad. I take that back. I take that back now. Yep, that was a me baddie. Take that back. Okay, now it didn't break it. Let's look at this. Let's see if there's more issues here. Okay, so there's more issues. Shocker. So now there's an issue where... Oh no, script contained malicious. Fuck yeah, that's good. That means it's a legitimate PowerShell. No, it isn't. It still breaks like a idiot. It just gets detected before it does it, so it doesn't do it here. If I rerun it, yeah. Yeah. It's still broken. Oh yeah, of course, Evaded. You're right. Exclusions probably won't work because it's AMSI, and AMSI is always going to be there. But there's still issues here. Even though this gets detected, there's an issue here where from base string accepts one argument, and for whatever reason it thinks it's two arguments. Let's look at this. That's one instance, the from base 64 string. Honestly, I think we just have to avoid further methods. Let's try this. Due to the obfuscation, these strings cannot use methods like system text and system encoding or any other such methods because obfuscation is added afterwards, added as a second layer after this layer. Add simpler but effective string obfuscation methods. Oh my god, I can get cheap viewers on redacted. Okay, so here we're doing some simple XOR. But again, we're using convert. I don't think we can use that. I think this will break it. Why doesn't the... It's kind of annoying, I gotta be honest. Okay, null method. Let's just go back here. Wow. Do I have to go back on what I typed for every question? Are you serious? I'll just rip it from the original repo then. What the fuck? So dumb. Oh my god, Mud stepping in. Love it. Love to see it. Just get string. It's still using methods. It's gonna break, but we'll try it. Yes, welcome to Chat Night, Wolf. How are you, man? We are doing some much needed but extremely tedious AMSI.Fail maintenance. Because the AMSI.Fail project currently generates a bunch of non-working outputs, except that one that seemed to work. So we're just trying to get them to work. Just trying to generate snippets that work. And so far, right now, it's pretty good. Right now, actually, all of them are solid. So I think we found at least one of the major bugs. And I definitely think that was related to how we handle system. Because that definitely shouldn't have been in the most encode ones. What other strings can be added for encoding based on the payloads that would not break the output? Actually, fuck Claude. I hate Claude. Let's fucking use GPT-4o instead. So we're adding blockchain. Yeah. So next stream we're gonna do NFTs. How to become a multi-millionaire NFTs. You know, just 3 years late, whatever. I don't think these will work. I think these will break, like tons of them. 100%. Yeah. Nope. This will break the output. Look at the payloads. Again, this will 100% break. We can try it, but this will break the output. Again, we're having, it might be because I'm selecting it. We'll try. I mean, I know it will break, but I'm just testing them off screen because Windows 11 can eat a dick. Oh, actually, that worked. Power automate. Why would I want? Okay, so now it says power. Is that because I have Power Automate open? If I close Power Automate, it will say. So now it's read. That's fine, or that isn't fine, but at least we're generating valid PowerShell, even though it's detected. I wonder if it's the thing at the beginning. Let's do some modifications here. How much of this do you think I need to modify in order to get it past AMSI? Let's see. Let's see if AMSI has improved at all. So threading, I don't know why we're doing that. What happens if I remove it? Okay, been blocked. Cool. So we're seeing instantiations of char and byte. And then we're seeing long variable names. We're doing this chars, long variable names, system encoding, this null at the beginning instead of just having null. Okay, let's just chat. Open new chat. How many other ways can be represented in PowerShell? Cool. Many ways. Okay. So add new add logic to the obfuscation method that replaces null from the output string with any with any of these above alternatives at random. Cool. That was actually pretty snaked. And I guess this is where the power comes in. You know, PowerShell will tell me these are the other ones to express 0. So we can use empty array, we can use null string value. Let's try that. Let's see if we can do this and then it gets passed. I don't know if that will even work, but well, it didn't break, but didn't bypass it either. Yep. Time to make an AI pipeline of sorts, have an up-to-date Windows VM, write Python client with WinRMs to it, and submit AMSI scripts, then catch the output, then feed it to AI and obfuscate the script, rinse and repeat until you have the perfect. You know what? That's so horrible that you might actually do that one day. Would be sick. Would be sick. Let's see what it did. So input replace null value with... No, what the fuck? Why would I want to replace? No, you ass. Get random null alternative. Okay. I'm just going with the flow here, guys. And then anywhere before the return of the encode, I guess I would do this. I would replace null with get null alternative. Interesting. Where am I? There am I. But why doesn't null get replaced? Did it seriously forget to single quote this? Really? Still doesn't do it. Oh, lol, is it inside the for loop? Yeah, I'm a dum-dum. Never mind. I broke this JavaScript. That's what happened. Yeah, I broke it. Let me go back here. Yep, I broke it. I definitely broke it. There we go. This and then here. Yep, never mind. I'm the idiot. There we go, but it still has null. This valid regex? Pretty sure it isn't. Your Tourette is gonna get in. Hey, what's up? Nice to meet you, Hiram. I am a nerd. I'll take that. You know, no offense. There we go. Now it worked. How are you, my man? Thanks for joining chat. Thanks for joining stream. How are you? Okay, been blocked. That's fine. Still valid. Still valid. Still valid. Okay, so we added more complexity. Great. Still doesn't bypass the crap. Cool. Any other things we can do here? Why is this so short? I guess that's at random. That's fine. I will say though, less stuff is breaking. It's getting detected, but less stuff is breaking, which is good. The main issue with this for a while was definitely that all the scripts just broke. This detection stuff, I think we can work with. Appreciate that, man. Hmm. Hmm. I wonder how the Rastamas one is. It isn't because of the. Let's try. Wah, wah, wah. So it doesn't like this, I guess. Why are we not obfuscating this? We're obfuscating this. Why are we not obfuscating this? We need to obfuscate this. And then let's also obfuscate flu protect. And let's obfuscate. Oh, oh. Let's see if this works. This stuff here. There gotta be a better way to do this. Like this is shitty representation. How can I guess I would have to look at how this looks. I don't want to do that really. Oh, we found something that broke. Great. So why does this break? So the empty is probably fine. And then this variable definition breaks because it's expecting. Is it because system runtime is attempted obfuscated? Even though we tell it specifically not to be obfuscated. Oh, must encode. I guess we can remove these. Oh yeah, now it's flagging on these. These are getting obfuscated now, though, which is fine. And based on my other PowerShell session, it's still running. You're just getting nuked, of course. Can this method be expanded to include a few more? Oh, right. Wait, we're doing something now. It didn't get nuked. didn't get nuked, which is interesting. Oh, we're definitely getting somewhere with this. Set value cannot pick word. So now it's complaining about the deb and null, right? So I think adding more of these random ass characters, or these, I can't remember. Let's just skip this get null value crap. I honestly don't think it's gonna give us much. Where did I refer to that? In here. Let's just skip this then. Would be sick if we actually got some action out of this. Oh, power fucking automate. Why does it show me power automate sometimes and PowerShell other times, Windows? Why? Please tell me why. Hey! Fuck you, PowerShell. Or AMSI.Fail. AMSI, I guess. We got AMSI failing again. Woohoo! So all we did is that we added a bunch more of these characters called. So this is actually an obfuscation technique that isn't too much known, which is why I thought it was good to add. So in PowerShell, you get things called diacritic. A diacritic character is our special count of characters that represent other normalized characters. So say you have this weird E, which PowerShell will automatically normalize to E. So this weird thing right here, which I think we have somewhere here. I think it's one of these. It doesn't matter. This random character here. So instead of AMSI init failed, the E in failed will be replaced with this. And then once PowerShell normalizes it, it will go back to the E. It will have the same text representation once it's normalized, which is why we can get around stuff. So it's good. It's back up, fixed. Thank you, AI. You made that way easier to me. I'm totally not going to test this anymore right now because it works now and it's 100% bulletproof. And if it works again, I'm going to call it. Yes, it's 100% works now. It's good. It's giggity good. I still don't like that these variables are not as complex as this could be. But yeah, well, this is fine now. Cool, sick, pushing it. Done. And then I wanted to remove something else as well. Yeah, I removed that. Cool. Let me change this. Thank you, AI. Cool. So that should be live in a few, and then you can go out and keep bypassing AMSI. Woohoo! So I will say, I'm probably, so this is a very specific case. This is essentially taking old code that I would have to sit down and relearn because yes, I wrote this at some point, but it's completely forgotten. How many months ago was the update? I haven't touched AMSI.Fail in 3 years. It started 3 years ago, and then the last update before this was probably 3 years ago as well. Yeah, no, we got it to work. So we included a bunch more of these diacritic characters that PowerShell will normalize, and that was fine. And then AMSI just said AMSI couldn't catch it. It's because we're using these characters right here. So this right here, even though it looks like shit, will actually normalize to management because we use normalize. Which is great. And we also fixed the issue where a bunch of them breaks. So this should be way more approachable now. I say that, at least. No way, shut up. There's no way S1 just works if you patch AMSI. There's no way. And also the AMSI in Sentinel-1 would have their own implementation, right? They would bring their own S1 AMSI into the process. That's a joke. That's a joke arena right there. Don't you come here. Cool. AMSI.Fail now works again. Fuck yeah. Mission accomplished. If only I had more beer, guys. I mean, it depends. It depends on testing you're doing. If you're given a laptop by a customer and they're in an extremely unmature environment, yes, then I would probably just fucking get a PowerShell prompt, patch AMSI, and then bring all my C# goodies. Reminds me of PowerSharp pack, which I don't know if is maintained anymore. Let me get my screen back. Nah, it's kind of sort of maintained. So you could just invoke these other stuff after you've invoked AMSI. I actually think he has a reference to AMSI.Fail here. No. Makes me want to try now. Well, now it says malicious content, huh? It's probably because the first one worked. Haha, lol. We definitely patched at least one AMSI, but I don't know which method worked. And it definitely isn't the AMSI scan one. Definitely isn't that one. It's this one. Which is why I got so mad and quit on me, probably. I mean, if it's a pen test, they don't really care. System access violation. Oh, that's not great. The way I would use AMSI.Fail if I were to use it, I would probably find one bypass that actually works. Like this one. And then I would save that one somewhere and use it for a couple of weeks and place it. Because there's definitely still going to be cases here where we generate junk instead of actually working stuff. So there's definitely still needs to be stuff done. But we had one working, which annoys me a bit. Yeah. I just give it to the intern. Easy. I was the intern. I wonder why the system access violation one is. I wonder what the fuck that is. Oh. Free, be free. I wonder if it's the... I swear, this was working 3 seconds ago. Well, I kind of want to go back and figure out which one worked. Okay, well, it's pushed. We did something. It definitely doesn't break as much. I'll take that. That's a partial win. We'll definitely take that as a partial win. Fuck, it's hot in here. Maybe the AI start talking together. Maybe we're fucking doomed. They're gonna take over the planet. Fucked. Nah, I definitely think what what Vated said about actually doing this in a pipeline, like 100%. Let me take my fucking code. I'll give that shit to ChatGPT. Let's do this. Let's do this, and let's talk to my code. Where did I do that again? Control Alt to chat. And then let's talk to fucking GPTO. My code sometimes generates broken PowerShell. Improve the obfuscation without generating broken PowerShell. Read and understand the entire code as it has multiple layers of obfuscation, as it generates output that is subject to multiple obfuscation process. See what that does. Hey, what's up, Int? How are we doing today? Watch him get hit with that ethic violation. Lol. This just doesn't work. Let me open this entire thing in ChatGPT on the side here. And just type fucking improve this code. Improve and make the obfuscation logic better. Okay, I mean, ChatGPT on the side here is doing something completely different. It's doing it. It's going. Kind of want to see what this does, to be honest. So I might. I mean, it's going. Can't I? What's the thing with this memoir? What the fuck? Memoir. What is this? A random string? I thought my random string doesn't take an int value anymore. Great. So I changed that, so I don't need to give it an int value either. Random case. ChatGPT has worked best for me, to be fair, especially custom GPT for cybersecurity coding. Hey, first of all, welcome to the chat, Divine TTV. I've also been using ChatGPT mostly. I use Copilot again in Visual Code. That has been nice, but Llama 3 would be sick to play with. I haven't either. I also feel like you need some beefy hardware to do that. I'm just gonna lull it and just inserts noise. I have no idea what this does. Update, make simple updates to existing methods. You guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but just on the side here, I'm just seeing what the like the online ChatGPT model would say. So okay, so you know that model immediately pointed out that my random int function might return fucking 0, which we don't want. And the random case function needs shuffling, apparently. I thought about this all on my own, by the way. Now this is what I wanted. I wanted easy snippets. Okay, I'm doing a bunch of stuff now. Let's just check the if it broke anything. Yeah, it broke a bunch of stuff. Great. Let's start with this. What will break? Okay, so it was broke before that. Okay, great. So it didn't like the random int function because it's asking for min max, and we just have to set the min to 3 or whatever. That's fine. Just do 2 then. That was the first issue. And then we had random case, which it wanted to shuffle something. Wouldn't that break stuff? No, yeah, it will. Again, yeah, I know this. Yeah, I know it's a screen in my face. I'm sorry, guys. So again, you know, the AI now wanted me to replace the random case function and also shuffle the sequence of characters, but it doesn't understand that I use random case in PowerShell method names, because PowerShell method names and strings, or not strings with like system calls, are case in non like case insensitive, whatever. So if you want to char in PowerShell, you do this, but then also this would also be valid. So it did not understand that I use random case on methods that, you know, you can't shuffle. I'm pretty confident you can't shuffle. Or wait, can you shuffle? No, you cannot. So obfuscate char, I think might be good. It adds XOR, which I don't understand how it's going to be able to decode on the fly. Or, sorry, decrypt. I guess XOR is technically still encryption. This wouldn't work, right? Oh, no, yeah, no, it's resolving it. It's no, this. No, fuck no. I think we're gonna end it here, boys. I'm doing. Anybody still in chat? I'm doing a giveaway. Anybody in chat? Let's fucking go. You guys still here? I got some swag. A really nice friend of mine called Olaf Hartong gave me some swag for Falcon Force. So I thought, you know, I would give something away. So to the 2 guys in chat, 3 guys in chat, you could win now. You got good odds. 33% each of you. 30.3. Let's go. Okay, so where's the freaking bot thingy? Cloud bot. And then giveaway. Let's edit Falcon Force swag. Variation. You all got 3 minutes to join, broskies. Start giveaway. We are doing a giveaway. 3 minutes. I'll show you the swag while you guys do the raffle thingy. So I'm pretty cheap, and if you live like fucking super far away, I might ask you to pay for some of the shipping or whatever, but shouldn't be a problem. So these are I got two, looks like I got two variations. Oh fuck, I'm keeping this for myself. This is Falcon Hound swag. This ain't up for grabs, that's mine. But I got Falcon 4 stuff. Looks like this. Like this. I got a bunch of them in all different sizes. They're all unisex. So I got large, 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 XL. Yeah, no, I got all good sizes here. So you join by typing dash raffle. Okay. So I got a bunch of these. I should probably. I don't want to open them, but you can see the logo, right? Falcon Force. You've heard of them. Olaf's one of the main guys there, and he's the guy behind Falcon Hound. So, I mean, you guys have good odds right now. We only got 6 people in, so you're sticking with it. You're good. You got 1 minute left to enter the raffle if you want to join the giveaway, guys. Free swag, literally free swag. Oh, where's the music? The music went away. Where are you at? There we go. Where did the music go? Did I mute the music? What happened here? It's just really low. Okay, you got still time to join. It's coming up, but still time, guys. 20 seconds left to join the thingy. Oh, by the way, guys, make sure to use my stuff. I should probably have a Sire VPN here as well. I don't. I'm a dumb. Actually, though, if you're buying a 0-point security course, which you should totally do, great courses, check out my affiliate link for that. I appreciate it if you use it. So the raffle is closed. You guys got insanely good odds. Let's pick a winner. Winner is Carcass66. Congrats, man. Rigged immediately. You had that ready. You had that so fucking ready, pre-typed into the chat. The second you saw it ended, you were like, rigged. Ah, Kariga, you literally... Oh, you didn't get to join, dude. Sorry. Making fun of the moderator? Grounds for ban. Okay, hit me up on the side here. Krakas, if you hit me up on Twitter, send me your details. I'll try to get you shipped one of these t-shirts. Let me know your size. I think you get to pick between large and XL. There might be... I don't see any mediums. You gotta gain some weight if you're a small guy, dude. Sorry. That's just how it is. XL or large, that's what it is. Okay, I think large is the thing then. I'm sorry about that. Scalesic has always been mad. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining the stream. I do have a couple of ideas for next one. If you want to join the Flying with Discord server, feel free to do so. There's some discussion points there, but mostly it's just about spitballing stream ideas, as well as getting alert when the stream goes live. Also, if everybody, legitimately, please listen to this. If everybody could just open a YouTube video for me and just leave that playing all fucking night, that would be amazing. I only have 100 hours left until I can open up for like getting paid by YouTube or whatever, which I will receive nada because I don't have any views, but still, I still want to have the possibilities. If everybody can just fucking binge watch my shit tonight, just leave your laptop open, 3 laptops, tune the power settings so they're all on forever, get to YouTube and view my shit, that would be great. Develop a custom C2 agent for Mythic, sure, let's just do that in 1.5 hours. No, but legit though, it would be cool. And I think we got the groundwork done from Cody when he was on me last stream, on her last stream. That would be sick. Develop plugins for Octopon, that's a good one. Actually, not B9. I think one of my most popular woods were on the certificate exploitation, and also when I've had some of the C2 developers on stream, that was pretty sick. I think I had most of them on stream actually. So there's some decent bots to check out. They're all on YouTube. Get fucking YouTube running. I appreciate that, guys. Okay, you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Actually, fuck it. Let's drop some VPN keys as well, since I have you guys here. Fuck it. Let's find some VPN keys for you guys. You gotta be quick, okay? You gotta be ready for this. If you want, I got like 10 referral keys, 1 month free of VPN, but that's the VPN provider. Check that out, by the way. Give me a second. I'll get those keys. I don't know how many I've used. Okay, you guys ready? Keys coming in chat. You gotta be quick. Some of these might be used, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, wow. They're new line separated, I hope. No, they're not. They should be. Right, let me type that again. Wait, why are there... Okay, fuck. You get the point. I'm gonna drop them in the Discord as well. So you gotta I'm gonna drop the rest of them in Discord as well. Okay, dropping them in the Discord server now. Good luck, boys. When you sign up for VPN, you can put them in. When do you start dropping Bitcoin? Motherfucking getting greedy over here. I'm doing half a Bitcoin drop, guys. 100%. Nah, just fun. They were super kind. I've been using a VPN for forever, and I've basically told them, hey, I do cybersecurity stuff. Would love to get some free shit to give away, and they jumped me a bunch of keys and gave me a discount code. So can't really complain about that at all. Sweet Swedes, sweet Swedish people. Oh yeah, you and Elon Musk. I don't trust you anymore, Rated. Last time I sent you Bitcoin, never got it back. Okay, we gotta close out the stream. I really appreciate everybody joining in. Thank you so much. Again, please watch those VODs if you want to. Join the Discord server for keys. And yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day, dude. Hit me up on Twitter tomorrow, cockers. I'll get that teaser chipped. No worries. Also, thank you for the follow, Divine TTV. Hope you enjoyed next streams. Have a good one, guy. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Great stream.